Hello, hello, boys and girls. Let's learn the NG sound. NG, N and G together forms a sound. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel. N says N says and G says G. N and G together forms a single sound, that is G. G. N and G together forms the sound of G. The sound of N is not N, it's N. So how do you lift any heavy object? It's like G. Look at the bear lifting the heavy object and making the sound of G. Let's listen to the G song.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say
If you're strong and you know it, say Let's go about the words that has G sound in them. So N and G together, I repeat, forms G, such as song. Goes in the nose. Song. I repeat, another word, that is string. That is not N-G, it's N-G. Another word that is an inside organ of our body says lungs. Lungs. And here comes the Popeye the Sailor Man, who was the strongest. Strong. Goes in the nose. And here comes the cute little ring. Ring. I repeat, that is not N-G, that is Ng. And here comes the cutie king. Ng. And group of people that goes well around is called a gang. Goes in the nose, I repeat, and here comes the scary jungle. Jungle has a Ng sound in the middle. And what about angelic wings? Wings. Ng. N and G together is Ng. How about going to the swing? Such a cute little swing. And now, how about the neck of a giraffe? It is very long. It also has Ng sound. So a cutie giraffe has a long neck. And how about a tongue? Oh my god! Tongue has Ng. And an angle. An angle has N and G together in between. So my dear lovelies, N and G has a different sound, that is not N-G, that is Ng, that goes inside the nose. So N and G together, I repeat, is Ng. Please do like, comment, subscribe. Please do show love. More such videos of blending, segmenting and other spelling rules coming up. Happy learning!